And races on Arvin Dugo, the favorite pass to begin, followed by Prime Rate, Wondrous Winori outside, Charming Santi. Is entry number 3, and this one is Barkley. Divine Wisdom, Home Run Queen, Racing Ori outside is Tucker's Diamond. Pasencio South Crystal Pride on the further outside, and rounding the far turn, Barkley by Hapaland, and Arvin Dugo is already outside, and racing in third by about 4 lengths. Prime Rate on the outside, Charming Santi. Barkley by ahead, and on the outside is Arvin Dugo. Two runners fighting it out for the lead as they race the final corner. Barkley, Arvin Dugo is on the outside. Prime Rate is racing third by about 5 lengths. Arvin Dugo, Barkley down on the inside, fighting back. Barkley once again by a length and a half. Arvin Dugo and Prime Rate, and nearing the finish line, number 3, Barkley, and finally, Barkley, the horse of Mayor Ben-Hur Abalos, second, Arvin Dugo, Prime Rate, 9A, Charming Santi, and number 5, Home Run Queen.